Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Next Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Next Insurance Review My Usage Experience offers quick and easy comparisons of insurance options for small business owners. Its main purpose is to help users find the best insurance policies at competitive prices, saving them time and money. Key features likely include policy comparison tools, filtering options based on needs and budget, and potentially access to insurance providers. Their website provides details on specific features and supported insurance types. Their website highlights ease of use and price transparency as key selling points. They claim to offer unbiased comparisons and access to a wide range of providers. They don't mention specific technology, but the ease of use suggests a user-friendly interface and efficient comparison algorithms. Availability is presumably nationwide, though users should check the website for specific coverage areas. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Next Insurance Review My Usage Experience. I needed to find insurance for my freelance photography business, and I was overwhelmed by the sheer number of options. Getting started was incredibly simple. I just answered a few basic questions about my business and the type of coverage I needed. The interface was intuitive and easy to navigate. I was able to filter results based on price, coverage, and other important factors. The comparison tool clearly laid out the pros and cons of each policy, making it easy to understand the differences. The site performed quickly and reliably, providing results within seconds. I had a quick question about a specific policy detail and their support responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how clear and concise the information presented was. It cut through all the jargon. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to easily compare apples to apples and focus on the policies that best fit my business needs. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, though the website was responsive and worked fine on my phone. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Next Insurance Review My Usage Experience. It significantly simplified the process of finding the right insurance for my business, and I saved a considerable amount of time and potential money. That's my overview of Next Insurance Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.